Okay, guys, so we were talking about function. Yeah, I would like to give you a good example of the function. Uh, function gives you a more control on the code. If we write our code in a small function, it gives you good control on the application. Let me show you something. This, you know, this is a switchboard. Okay, now kids, let's think what happens if you have only one switch in your room. If you switch on, it just switch on all the lights and the fans and everything. So all the functionality is performed by all the electronic devices is controlled by only one switch. That is not good, right? Uh, so the problem, what will happen? The problem, if let's say if there is problem in fan or if there is problem in light, and when you are going to repair that, at that time you would not be able to switch on the fan or other devices. So this is a problem, right? But if you have different switch for different devices for every different machine, then if you have problem in one machine, then you can work on that machine. The other machine, other devices will be working as it is. So that's the benefit of creating separate functions for separate tasks. Got it? Okay, let's continue. Okay, so we are already there, we completed this. Now let's go to this one. Which one we got? Let's, we are going to uh, do this one. Okay, given is helper, flag helper. Okay, you have already completed. Okay, so I was already done with this. Okay, I was already done. So let me reset this. Reset. Okay, now the problem is same that that we just completed the flag. But see here, there is a bit shortcut way of doing this. Not shortcut way, but a small short code. Okay, so see here. Uh, See here. Let me try. See this one. GGG, the parameter passed GGG. That is green, green, green. So you can observe this is a bit enhancement to the function, that it takes three parameter. For now I can say it takes three parameter to print three boxes in one go. Okay, so let's try this. So there is one more thing I would like to tell you here. This is the benefit of creating the function. Let's say you have a big task and you want to make enhancement to certain piece. The same way I was talking to the switch example, if you have to do some enhancement to the other feature, the rest of the feature will not be disturbing, right? Uh, so you can correlate this example with the switch box. Okay, a switch board actually, sorry. Yeah, so now complete this. Now we have to draw the blue boxes. So we will say draw boxes. You can observe previously we were doing using the function called draw box. Here we are using the function draw boxes. Okay, so this is a naming convention. Okay, singular and plural. So if we have to perform some multiple operations, then we give it a plural name. Okay, so pass the string. We will learn about a string, variables and data types later. So that's why I want to complete this all basic chapters faster. So draw boxes. So we have to give blue, blue, blue. B, B, B. Okay. So now let's play this. Okay. Sorry, here is a something problem. this is B B B. There is some space or what? Okay. Before doing this, sorry. So how to, if you did any mistake, then how to erase that? This is the undo. Okay, so you can click the undo. I had to first give the new line. It was my mistake. Okay, now do the draw box. Okay, and use the string function to print the blue line, blue boxes. Now can I play this? Yes. Yeah, you're done. Okay, now let's see what is next. The next is, okay, the next one is given as flag shortcut. Now see this, what it is. Okay, reset this. Okay, this is more shortcut. Okay, so in the previous and previous to previous video, in the previous video and the previous task that we have done, so first we were using drawbox for printing the same one drawbox. In the previous task we performed to print the drop boxes using one function, and now here we are going to print the entire flag using the one function, that is called, the function is draw boxes. So you can see here we just have to pass parameters, uh, all the parameters, all the colors and new line parameters in the same, in this function only. Okay, and more thing I would like to show here, you can observe there is G, this is written like G, and then one space is there, and then we will print Y, and then we will print space, and then we will write B. So this would be our code. So here pass the Y, okay, and then one space, and then B. Okay, now let's play this. So that means how it worked, how it considered the space as a new line, because the draw boxes function is written in a way that it understands. So it is a header of this draw boxes function. This is the implementation. This is how the draw boxes is written, that it understands a space as a new line. Okay, now let's move to the next lesson. Okay, so next lesson is this used string. Okay, so now let's tap on this. Okay, yeah, so it is just giving some theoretical understanding towards a string. Letters, words, sentences and anything else you put in between quotation mark. Okay, in between quotation mark, whatever you write in this quotation mark, this one, that would be considered as, or maybe some in the single quote also. Okay, so that is considered as string. For example, hello world is a string, but hello world is not a string. Yes, hello world is not a string, but when it is put inside this quotation mark, then it would be considered as a string. So remember that. Okay, now let's move to the next. Okay, B is for blue. So how many blue boxes? So there is a question, how many blue boxes will be created with this code? How many blue boxes? Yeah, can you tell? Two. Yeah, two is the correct answer, because it's only, you can see BOB. So BOB. Okay, so 1b, 2b. Okay, fine. So next, uh, move a dash of random. What is this? I have not tried even this. In this puzzle, okay, in this puzzle, you will use the pick random function to let the code pick the color of the boxes. Okay, so in this example, we are not going to provide any color. The application, the system itself, the application will decide itself randomly what color to choose. So I would like to explain this uh, question or task properly, that you know see this code, observe this code. Okay, so observe this line. Draw box, we know that this is used to create a box whatever the color we provide. But here this is a function called pick random. And what pick random? What to pick random? Color. So this pick random itself is a function, okay, that picks some random color. So what is happening here? The first color, so there are two boxes, okay, there are two boxes in the board there. You can see the first is here black and the second one is red. So when this code will run, what will happen? The first box will be random color, means the first color will be random whenever you run. Random is what? As many times you will run this application, it can show you the different color. The first box, the color of the first box will be not fixed. Every time it will generate with the different color, but the second box will be fixed, that will always be printed by red. Okay, so let's try to print this, play this. Okay, okay, in this time it played this one. What is this, white or what? Maybe white or some different color. This time it means okay, white, completely white. And again I run, this time black. And what next? Green. What next time? Black. What next time? Purple. What next time? Blue. So as many times I run this, the colors get changed. Okay, but if you want the second box to be done as a random color, you want the second box to be choose as a random, so you can just use this pick random and we can pass the color. We are not going to pass any specific color. You can see there are some specific color is given, red and orange, but there is a color, it is an entire color box. Okay, any color from this color world it can choose. Okay, so we are going to pass that color. Okay, so now our application, our code will run in a way that both of the boxes will be printed randomly, random color. Now run, see this. Oh, so it is saying okay, you did that, but I want to run this more and more. This time okay, orange and white. Run more time, white and blue. Fine. So yeah, go to the next lesson. Okay, so we have completed the task for the beginner ones, and in the next video we will try to start the variables. So here it is started talking about the variables. uh, you are on the roll. The next topic is variable are elements which store data such as number, color or string of letters. In this topic you will learn how to use data stored in variable, create new variables, edit existing variables. So be excited for the next topic and try to download this app and try to do some practice, try to find out some more videos, not only my videos, other videos on Grasshopper or any video, and try to understand the programming coding. If you have any doubts, if you are a beginner, uh, if you already know the code, you have some different question for me not related to this Grasshopper, you can ask anything related to coding from me. So please do comment and like, share and subscribe, and try to communicate if you are interested in this topic. Put your questions. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.